Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly clarify one thing. When doing this reset, you can do it to remove a screen lock. So if you have one set, you can get rid of it, even if you don't know it. But most people will also have a Google account signed in. So if we go into our settings under Google, if you have one signed in here and you do this kind of reset to get rid of a screen lock, you're doing it in a way that basically later on will force you to verify either the screen lock that was on this device or the credentials for the Google account that was signed in on this phone. And if you can't provide one of those two, you won't be able to finish up the setup. Now, before there was a way to bypass this on most devices, but since like Android 14, 15, this has no longer been the case. But pointing that out because, let's be honest, GSM like stores have some magic ways of sometimes removing things. They even can unlock iCloud locked phones, iPhone specifically. So this probably shouldn't be out of realm of impossibility for them. It's just no longer possible to do it without any kind of tools at home. So even if you have this problem, you could potentially maybe unlock it even if you don't know the screen lock or the Google account. So anyway, we're going to get started by locking the device and progressing from here as though I don't know my screen lock. And number one, we're going to turn off our device by holding power button and volume up at the same time. And then swiping up to turn off the device. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up again. And you can let go of the power button when the POCO logo shows up on the screen. In a moment, you will see the recovery mode. There we go. In here, using again volume buttons along with power button, we can navigate and confirm. So specifically, for instance, volume down goes down, up will go up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, we're going to press volume down once to select the second option below. So just option below more like, which is wipe data. Confirm it with the power button, then select wipe all data. Confirm that. And then select confirm. Now this only gets to, I believe, like 5-10%, something like that, and automatically becomes finished. Yep, there we go. So we're just going to press power button to go back to the main menu, and then power button to reboot, and power button to reboot to system. Now this will continue resetting the device right now in the background. So even though supposedly rebooting to system, it's actually finalizing right now the reset, and this will take about a minute or so to finish up. Once it's completed, we will then be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And you can see the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.